Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Temple Run 2 on your personal computer. The only way to enjoy this endless runner on a larger screen is by using an Android emulator. These programs create a virtual Android device on your PC, allowing you to run mobile applications. BlueStacks is a widely used and trusted emulator, offering a smooth gaming experience. Begin by downloading and installing it from its official website. Once your emulator is installed and running, the next step is to get Temple Run 2. Navigate to the Google Play Store, which functions just like it does on an Android phone. Use the search bar to find Temple Run 2, then simply click the Install button. The game will download and install directly into your emulator, ready for you to play. Playing on a PC offers a significant advantage: customizable controls. Emulators allow you to map game actions, such as jumping, sliding, and turning, to your keyboard and mouse. This provides much more precise input than touch controls. Take a moment to configure these settings to your preference. You can also adjust graphics options within the emulator for the best visual experience on your computer screen. With the game installed and controls configured, you are now ready to embark on your adventure. Simply launch Temple Run 2 from the emulator's home screen. You will experience the thrill of the game on a much larger display, utilizing the precise keyboard and mouse controls you set up. Get ready to enjoy hours of endless running fun right on your personal computer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.